Ever found yourself with physical cash burning a hole in your pocket and wondering, how on earth do I get this into my Lunar bank account? You're not alone. While Lunar Bank operates primarily as a digital platform, offering fantastic features like seamless online transactions and budgeting tools, the question of depositing physical cash can sometimes feel like a puzzle. Now, Lunar Bank doesn't have its own network of physical branches like traditional banks. So, you won't be strolling into a Lunar Bank lobby with your wad of notes. But don't worry, it's not a dead end for your cash. There are still clever ways to bridge the gap between the physical and digital realms and get those hard-earned naira safely into your Lunar Bank account. One of the most common and convenient methods is through third-party deposit services. Think of these as trusted intermediaries that handle the physical cash deposit on your behalf, which then gets credited to your Lunar Bank account electronically. Several platforms and agents across Nigeria offer this service. You'll typically find them in local shops, supermarkets, or even dedicated agent networks. The process is usually straightforward. You'll need to locate an agent or platform that supports Lunar Bank deposits. Once you've found one, inform them that you want to deposit funds into your Lunar Bank account. They will likely ask for your Lunar Bank account details, your account number, or the phone number associated with your account. Be absolutely sure you provide the correct information to avoid any hiccups. Next, you'll hand over the cash you wish to deposit to the agent. They will then process the transaction through their system. It's crucial to confirm the amount they are entering before they finalize it. Most reputable agents will provide you with a receipt as proof of the transaction. Keep this receipt safe until the funds reflect in your Lunar Bank account. The time it takes for the deposit to appear in your Lunar Bank account can vary slightly depending on the platform or agent you use. In most cases, it's relatively quick, often within minutes or a few hours. However, it's always a good idea to ask the agent about the expected processing time. You can also keep an eye on your Lunar Bank app for the transaction to appear. Another potential avenue, although it might involve an extra step, is to deposit the cash into another bank account you might have and then transfer the funds electronically to your Lunar Bank account. If you have an account with a traditional bank that has physical branches, you can simply deposit the cash there and then use your bank's online or mobile banking platform to initiate a transfer to your Lunar Bank account. This method gives you the security of depositing at a recognized financial institution. Remember, when using any third-party service, it's always wise to do a little bit of due diligence. Ensure the agent or platform is reputable and trusted. Look for clear signage, ask for identification if you feel unsure, and always insist on a receipt. It's also a good practice to compare the fees associated with different deposit methods, as some services might charge a small transaction fee. While Lunar Bank might not have physical cash deposit facilities of its own, the availability of third-party services and the option of using an intermediary bank account provide reliable ways to get your physical cash into your digital Lunar Bank account. So, the next time you have cash in hand, remember these options and choose the one that best suits your convenience and peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.